Hey guys, my name is Stephanie Farron. I'm the Technology Facilitator at David W. Butler High School, and this quick tutorial is on how to manage CMS Launchpad passwords. This is a great tutorial both for students and staff, so since you both have saved passwords in CMS Launchpad. So let's talk about how CMS Launchpad saves our passwords. I am currently in a CMS Launchpad for a student. It can look a little different for a staff member, but it all works the same. So any application that has a saved password will have a little lock above it and or a key. So what we're going to want to do is, if CMS has reset our EdCloud passwords, for example, we're going to need to put in our new username and password for that. If at any time we change that password, we'll need to update it as well. So to do that, we're going to simply hover over the icon and we're going to right click to get into our lock and key. If you're on a Chromebook, a right click is your two fingers on your touchpad and then it will open your lock. If you're a teacher on a laptop, it's going to be the right click on your mouse pad. So when I'm right clicked on it, I have all these options. I'm going to click edit the password with the key. And it's going to bring up a screen that shows me that I have a default password already set here that may or may not be correct. If I want to change that, I'm simply going to hit the X to remove it. And it's going to ask me if I'm sure. I say yes. So now it's removed. So once I've gone into that app and reset my password and changed it, and that is going to probably be a new tab to do that, simply come back into your Launchpad, click on the app, and it's going to ask you to put in your username and your new password again, and it will save it. So if you're resetting your NC EdCloud password, you're going to want to remove the old one from your Launchpad and put the new one in once you've set that up in NC EdCloud. Happy browsing!